Hello.
Amy Stark here from Digital Dames, the CEO of Digital Dames.
And Aaron Albert from YesBe.
Yes, and I just realized my closet door is still open behind me, so that's, isn't that always a problem? We're coming to you live from the SM Dames 18 World Headquarters. There's a
partial view of the sign there.
And we're just going to cover a couple of things very quickly about what to expect on August 3rd. Once again, it's August 3rd at the Palladium. It's the 5th anniversary of the Young Conference. And I'm just going to, right off the bat, tell you there are just a few tickets left. And you can go to smdames18.eventbrite.com to get your tickets. And we're just going to cover a couple of things. One, I made a list so I wouldn't forget. One, I want to right away let you know that when you arrive, you will have a form like this to fill out. It's just a consent and release form. Ruby Law, Jennifer Ruby.
Thank you, Jennifer.
She's been so wonderful to help us out with this. But basically, this is a very important piece of paper that you must sign before you go in. It gives everyone the ability to take pictures and post at will. You will also pick up a lanyard that will have your name in it. And this is my piece of awesome that I'm giving away. And it's just a little tablet, but it will be in your lanyard. There, you will pick up your lanyard, and if you're a speaker, you will have an orange lanyard like this. And if you are just a participant and an attendee, really participant, you'll have this white. So when you arrive, you'll find your lanyard and you'll put your, you'll put this on. The name tag.
Okay, and so I'm a big believer in a soft start and a hard start. So we're starting soft start for Dames at 8 a.m. So the doors open at the Robert Adam Room at the Palladium at 8 a.m. And then what the expectation is after you grab all that paperwork and sign your name away and all that good stuff is pieces of awesome. So this is something we've done every Dames. It's always a huge popular thing. I'm sporting the official bag of
Vera
SM
Bradley?
Dames 18. Thank you, Vera Bradley. These are amazing bags. I know I still have mine from the very first social media Dames and still use it for groceries and all kinds of good stuff. But what we'll do is we'll have these bags out on display at everybody's place. And then what you do is you distribute your pieces of awesome. So we're suggesting that everybody bring 88 pieces of awesome for an ideal layout in the room. And you'll just go ahead and distribute your pieces of awesome. It's a great time to soft network and meet the other participants and speakers and share what your awesome is, what the name of your business is or your brand is, and it really is a great way to start conversations for the morning.
Yeah, this is my piece of awesome that I'm distributing through the lanyards, but let's say I am a realtor coming in and I have a pen that I want to distribute. You'll go to each place and you'll drop it in. Here, I'll show you. You drop it in. You drop it in. And we do this because it's an untrade show too. And everyone is welcome to bring a business card, a pen, whatever little piece of awesome to promote your business. You'll just drop it in one of these Vera Bradley bags.
Chocolate, books.
Yes, chocolate.
We have pictures both on our own personal Instagram file accounts as well as the Social Media Dames Facebook page. So if you're kind of perplexed and you're wondering what you should bring, go back and take a look at our photos from the past 5 years. There's lots of really great suggestions. We always try to take a group photo of all of our swag.
Oh, that's right. We have to put the group photo in before lunch.
Yes, yes. That's something else. We do take a lot of photos. We encourage that because this is all about social media and sharing. So again, the release is really important because we'll be sharing throughout the day, as will everyone in the audience. We want you to bring your device, BYOD, and take pictures, share. Really important or pithy quotes from speakers and storytellers is always popular. just Instagram posts, even live streaming. We may have some of that again this year. That seemed to be very popular.
Yes.
So that's kind of the expectation throughout the morning. We also have donuts in the morning.
Yeah, so we open at 8 for awesome distribution in donuts that will be provided by MVP Distinctive Catering. They're catering the whole day for us. They've got an amazing lunch laid out, and they'll have coffee and donuts at 8 o'clock ready for your to fuel your awesome distribution.
And then we have a hard start at 8:45. And what we mean by that is that that is the official start of the day. So we'll have some of our sponsors come up and give their talks, if you will, briefly. And then we'll get ready to roll with our 18 speakers. Yes, that's 18 speakers.
That's right.
So we keep it moving.
That's right. It's edutainment.
Yes.
Louder, faster, funnier.
Yes. So the catering, Amy for lunch, because we always have questions about, well, what are we going to eat? Amy's going to post that information as we get a little bit closer to the actual day. So keep watching our Facebook page for more information. By the end of the day, we are right now wrapping up around 2:25 p.m. So I know those of you maybe with kiddos going back to school on the 3rd, want to know when we're getting finished. And it looks like right now around 2:30 we'll be done for the day.
And I think that's it. I think we've covered everything that I wanted to cover.
I think so too.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Well, enjoy your week. I am actually from the 23rd to the 28th. I'm going to be in Scotland. Yay! And I'm so excited about that. It worked out that Oscar is healthy. And so if you have any questions, you're kind of out of luck until the 28th.
That's not true. I'll watch the Facebook page, and if you have questions, you can certainly post there, and we'll have somebody watching at least once a day.
Okay, that's it. Have a great day.
Bye.
We'll see you on August 3rd.